The wake-up call that changed my life. I didn't change my life because I was brave. I changed it because I was exhausted. My wake-up call didn't happen in a crisis. It happened on a quiet night when I looked around and realized this wasn't the life I had dreamed of as I was growing up. I was 70, tired, and wondering if I had waited too long. Every day felt like survival. But deep down, I knew I was meant for more. Here's what I did. I stopped waiting for permission. I got clear on what wasn't working for me. Trading time for money, losing all those memories. I opened myself up to mentorship and automation. I didn't have all the answers, but I had the willingness. That was enough. That's all I needed. I was ready to do something. With the right tools, support, and steps, I found my way out. Yay! And no, it wasn't too late. It was exactly the right time. But then I found something different, a proven system with step by step help. No tech overwhelm, no guesswork. Real mentorship from someone who'd done it already. For the first time, I saw a path that wasn't about chasing money, but building peace, impact, and control. I'm in the driver's seat. Comment info, and I'll show you exactly what opened the doors for me. You don't need more time. You need a different strategy, and I'm here to help you.